G'day from the Bureau with your weekend forecast around the country. And after what was a busy and in some areas devastating week with those big fires, major flooding and snowfalls in parts of the southeast, you'll note the lack of weather, particularly rainfall, across much of the country. And that's all thanks to this high pressure system bringing fine and sunny weather to many of us right around Australia. The only sign of rainfall on Saturday will just be some coastal showers on the Queensland, New South Wales coast and also through southern parts of Victoria and Tasmania, but falls will be light. Then as we move into Sunday, we'll see that west coast trough deepen and building the heat there, but staying just a chance of a shower or storm across the tropical north, but those scattered showers continuing along the Queensland coast. But also note starting to build up some shower and thunderstorm activity through western parts of Queensland on Sunday afternoon as we start to see the moisture return there. And then on Monday, we'll start to see that increase further as that trough deepens a little bit with a bit more widespread shower and thunderstorm activity as some of us head back to work through there. But note again, pretty quiet weather-wise across much of the country and starting to warm up in southeastern parts. Now looking at those temperatures in more detail, Saturday pretty hot across the north and also through much of WA, with temperatures getting into the mid to high 30s. 31 expected in Perth on Saturday. While in the southeast, a different story after that cold front move through. Much cooler conditions expected. We're seeing 15 degrees at Hobart and Melbourne and around 19 at Sydney and 24 in Brisbane. Now, as we move into Sunday, not much change. So we still that heat building across northern and western parts. Get into the high 30s further south into the southern inland there. Well, the southeast warming up by a few degrees there. We can see 17s at Melbourne and Hobart. Brisbane 23, Adelaide 22 and staying hot in the north. And for back to work Monday for some of us, we're going to see that heat continue across western and northern parts of Australia. But note also starting to warm up through parts of southeastern parts of the country. So if you want the forecast for this weekend, remember you can always get the latest via our website, app and social media.